Hi guys, I'm here today with the probably most advanced water bottle and fan combination. We see a lot of water bottles these days, a lot of fans, but a combination of a really high quality fan and a really good water bottle, even with a built-in filter, that's an awesome thing and something which I have really never seen before, and I'm super excited because last time when I've been with our family in a roller coaster park, I found out that all the drinks, everything was super expensive, even just bottled water. But the only thing which you get for free is tap water, but it's highly chlorinated. So I wished I had something there which I could just fill and then drink from there, and having the filter and drink nice, clear, healthy water. And so this solves the problem, and you get also an extra high power fan on top of it, exactly what you need as well there in this environment, or also in other environment, like when you go to a gym. Till now I never brought my drinks there, but I got always a little bit thirsty, and because the weather is not super hot now, they didn't keep the fan spinning really fast, and so I didn't have enough cooling, and I thought, yeah, it would be nice to have my own fan, but nobody takes a fan into a gym. But here you see just a water bottle. You could put it where you have the water bottle holder and then flip the fan up and use it and cool you down. That's absolutely awesome. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. And so here's the box with a little bit of description, the specs, and you can see we have a 600 milliliter 20-ounce bottle, definitely enough for most usage. The fan works depending on the speed which you are using, 5 to even 15 hours maximum. That's absolutely awesome. Product weight is only 300 grams, really lightweight, and the material is very safe. They are using BPA free plastic. It's even antibacterial, has this activated carbon filter which makes tap water, even here in Florida, safe to drink. That's absolutely awesome. By the way, the HandFan is not just a name, that's their brand name. And so first we get this lid. I think it's an additional lid. And so here's the whole bottle. Really nice, beautiful. Comes even with this hand strap. And it comes also with the cleaning brush for the straw. Yeah, we have this built-in straw. That's also an absolute awesome invention. We can just flip it out here and drink directly from here and then safely store it, and it will automatically close. So we can open it. You can see it has really nice thread here. And here we get some accessories. And so here we have everything what we get. We get also this instructions manual. I hope you can see and read everything nice and clear. And so of course we have to charge it first with a normal USB-C charging cable with this plug here. You can see it has nice waterproof cover. Make sure that's nicely covered, especially when you're planning to clean it. And we can also see the charge indicator when we are turning it on. You can see it has 75% now, and so we can change the fan speed with this button here. The LEDs do not show the fan speed, but we can feel that easily. It's a huge difference. So after we turn it on, it goes always into the lowest setting, which is pretty quiet. You can also use this in an office. It's very convenient because it uses just very few space. Of course it's not oscillating or so, but it can be very helpful also in the office. And then we push again, goes into second level, we push again, goes into third level, really strong, and we push again, turns off. But we can also turn it off by just closing here. It automatically stops. That's also really nice. When we open it again, starts again, so we can use it just like that. Really cool. And here you can see they are saying this part here, total part here, can be washed, and they are not just saying that. I have been washing the whole part, of course not when running the fan. I turned it off like that, and then I put the whole thing under the running tap water, wash everything, shook off the water a little bit and turn it on again, and the fan is still spinning as normal. Absolutely fantastic. I was a little bit scared. Usually you're not holding a fan under running water, but here it's definitely possible. It really looks like they have put a lot of effort into that and made everything really good quality. I mean, everything which you hold can really feel that's really good quality. We get also the USB-C charger, and then we get the full set of straw with the filter already built in, but we get also a replacement straw, and we get 3 replacement filters. You can see how they look. Make sure that you store them in a dry place. And to replace it, it's very easy. You can just grab it here and open it, and then you can dispose the old filter, add new one, make sure that the O-ring is still in place. By the way, there's also another one underneath, also check on this one, and then just push it back. Super easy. You can also replace the straw, put it back. Everything really nicely designed. We get also this cleaning brush which you can use here to clean everything nicely, and instead of the whole head with the fan, you can also use this lid alternately. If you know that you're not going to use the fan anyway, that's also an option, but of course then you don't have the straw as well and no water filter. And so I've been washing the cup already, and so we can add the straw with the filter from here. Just make sure it's tight, and then we add it here on top, secure it fully by rotating clockwise. And so let's test if it's really waterproof. And you can see I can shake it as much as I want. There's absolutely no leaking, really nice. And if I want to drink, just pull out this straw, and then we should be able to drink. So let's try. Yeah, I took a first sip and it worked absolutely awesome. Of course, you have to be aware of that. You have to suck a little bit harder because of the carbon filter. It's not just like a normal straw, but it works absolutely awesome, no problem. Yeah, I would say this could be a huge thing for at home, for the office, for the gym, for traveling. Lot of outside activities, to have always something with you. And I mean, the awesome thing is at the gym, I can even see people using gallon jars at the gym because they are drinking so much, and there's no need for that. When you have this, you can just open it, fill it with tap water, and then you have nice clean drinking water. Again, by the way, I've been using normal tap water here from Florida, which is highly chlorinated, and there was absolutely no chlorine taste. So this small filter seems to be able to filter out everything. So that's absolutely amazing. And when we are finished, of course, we can close it, and then it's waterproof again. We can even use the cap here on top to protect the fan. Think something like that. It's fully secure, but we can still open it to drink. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really not much to complain. Actually, I don't see anything here at the moment. So I can give you full recommendation, and if you're interested, you can buy it directly from their homepage, which is handfan.com, or you can buy it also from Amazon with Prime. So plenty of good options, and so we'll add both of the links down into the description of the video, so you can click on it and buy it directly for you, maybe also as a gift for your friends or family or whatsoever. Maybe even buy one for every member of your family. This could be an awesome thing. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.